Okay, so I'm gonna give you my quick and easy Reels tutorial. I make a lot of money from Instagram. I make Reels every single day. You can see here the number on the screen is what I made last month. A huge part of that was Instagram Reels, but my rule of thumb is it has to be quick and easy. I'm not making complicated Reels. I'm not making Reels that take a super long time to make. I am making Reels that are quick and easy, and I'm gonna show you how to do it in this tutorial. Super easy. You can follow along. I am not that good at this stuff. I am not that smart. I'm just gonna switch it to my iPhone. There we go. I'm not that great at this stuff, but I just want to kind of show you what I do, frankly, so you can see how easy this is, how quick this is, and how possible it is for you too. So this is me. This is my account. Like I said, I make Reels every day. You can see none of my Reels like go that viral. I just make a lot of them. I make Reels every day, and the way I make Reels every day and the way it's possible is because I keep it quick and easy. So you're going to click the plus sign. You're going to switch it to Reels. You're going to choose your video. So just, there you go. I trim it. I usually do anywhere from like 6 to 4 seconds. So you can see in this one, I mean, literally I have the greasiest hair. I'm not really wearing any makeup. I'm literally not wearing shoes. Like this is just a quick one. It took me about 2 seconds to get this video footage. Then I'm going to choose a filter. I filmed this with my iPhone, just so you know, like it's my iPhone, nothing fancy, nothing special. And then, so I'm really liking the tan and orange and teal filters right now, but you can just pick whichever one you want. Then I'm going to choose my audio. I literally just choose one of the audios that has the like upward arrow. So I don't know if you can see, but you can see like the little upward arrow. So I literally just pick one of these. I'll just do that one. You probably won't hear the audio because it's not, my iPhone audio isn't hooked up to this, but that's okay. And then I'm going to create my hook. If you want to keep it really, really simple, just give tips. So here are 2 tips to, I'm just going to say XYZ thing, right? Like maybe travel with a toddler or something. I usually make it have the white background because I think it's a little bit more readable. And then what I do to make it go faster is I type all the tips first. So do this, and then I kind of play where I want, like put them where I want at the end. So tip 2, also do this. And then I do that. This is literally how I edit my Reels every day. Okay, so then I just drag it, kind of like approximate that each text is going to take up 1/3 of the time. And then I click next and I click preview. So I have my hook, my tip 1, and my tip 2. Then what you would do is go back to your drafts. You would write your caption here. And then I always choose my location. I get asked this a lot. I don't worry about topics. I don't think it does anything. I know some people really like them, but for me, I don't feel like the topics do anything. So I write my caption, preview it one last time to make sure I like the caption hook. And then I publish Reels every day at 7 a.m. And so the next morning, I would publish it. That is literally it. And I can see by a recording, it took me 3 minutes and 23 seconds to do that, including the intro. In case you're wondering how I make money with Instagram, I am happy to show you that. Let me add my face on here. We'll make it small so it's not so silly. Whoa, it's still kind of silly. Okay, perfect. So I have this course called Passive Income with Instagram, and basically the overview of it, you can see here, this is my dashboard, but let me get over here. The overview of this course is we make Reels. Reels create traffic. Traffic goes to our checkout pages, which make us money. So we make money from Instagram Reels because those Instagram Reels create a ton of free traffic back to our Instagram bios. So if you look at my Instagram bio, you can see here that I have like a link in my bio, and all my students do. And that link is how we make money right there. And so that's what I teach my students how to do. I have a course that kind of explains it. We sell digital products that we create or that other people create. It's kind of up to you. But either way, we sell digital products like courses or ebooks or audio files. You don't have to put your face in it if you don't want to. But that's how the money side of things. So like I said, that screenshot that I showed of me making $400,000, it's because I have a ton of courses. You may have seen my 24 courses for $24 bundle that I do, where I just sell 24 business courses for $24. I can link to that down in the description as well if you want to check that out. Either way, that's how I make money on Instagram, is with selling digital courses and then using Reels to make the free traffic. But I am a single mama. I don't have a ton of time. And so it's really important for me to be able to make those reels really, really quickly, really, really easily. And that's where my quick and easy reel tutorial came in. I'm going to be making a lot more content on Instagram Reels and making money on Instagram. So be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of it. And I will see you in the next video.